the fun begins. 4,500 meters of zigzaggy and uphill, I reckon. I think, if I'm not mistaken, the monastery is just behind this mountain. So I'm gonna have to go up a little bit. I say that it's actually about 300 meters of altitude according to Google Maps. So still a lot. What's up? Where are you going? This is right in the heart of Serbia. You find properties, houses, villages like this. Beautiful. This is the funniest signpost I've ever seen. I mean, it's a serious issue, but it's just funny, like the way they draw it. Now, before I head up to the mountains, I want to see first what they have on offer here, just in case I needed some provisions later on. I could easily pop down here. It's pretty cool. I could definitely come back here. Raspberries all around. I've never seen a farm for raspberries. Wow, amazing. Just started trailing up. The gradient's not too bad. It's probably like around 3 to 4%. So far so good. I don't know how steep it's gonna be, but if it's just like this up until the monastery, that'd be so cool. Now the only thing is, it looks like it's gonna rain. Big clouds heading there. Hopefully not much rain. Trees are slender and tall. Another climbing paradise. So close, probably 700 meters away. Amazing rocks, oh my god. So I talked to the guy over there and I gestured 2 hands affixed to my head, and he said there's none here, but he said there's camping further up the road. I think I've just found the most beautiful church in the world, in the most idyllic place. Da-da-da. So after doing a bit of scouting in the whole area to see where to camp, I've decided to go with what the lawnmower guy suggested, which is right next to this bit, source of water and parking lots. And not too far from the entrance bit, there's a toilet. It's actually pretty decent, I thought, and very quiet. Today is only like, what, 2 or 3 cars that went into the monastery. So this is my spot. Yeah, pretty cool. This thing drips so slow that I might as well start filling up. Alright, let's see if that works. Well, another reason why I chose this spot, actually, before I forget, is because if there's a climber coming up here, they're gonna be parking here. So it's fairly obvious that I'm here. And also, I am going to hang some of my climbing gears. Just wanna let other climbers know that I'm here, I'm ready to go. Yeah, if there's anyone wants to have a catch, I'm here.
Well, she's been.
Oh my god.
I'm just saying, like, with people in Russia, and then he's not. No, he is being. He's charged with felonies. The FBI raided his house. The first thing they did was cover up.
So I was gonna go for a walk to kind of see where the crags are. As you can tell, there's climbing symbols, which means it's gonna go this way. There's also another way, which I think goes all the way up to the cross. But for the climbing spot, I think this is it. Now my problem though is, I'm wearing a slipper, so I'm not comfortable going there. I mean, it's probably not that bad, but Oh, look at this. It says KPCT. Don't know what that means, but there's a cross up there, and I believe this road will lead me up there. Serbian flag in the middle of these two cliffs. Second station, third station, like a resting area. I could see the flag here again. Red mushroom. It now suddenly become much cooler. Oh, pretty cool. There's a river right up here in the mountains. And look at this cave. They put the fourth station right here. Wow, it's so amazing. I just can't keep looking around. Now that I'm appreciating the beauty of the nature, I'm also kind of in a lookout for any animals that might be peering from apart, ready to attack. Yeah, we don't want that. Whoa, look at this wall. There's so many roads, like you kind of wonder, where does that road go to? Now I know why there's a road going there. There's fucking houses. There's even 2 more houses up there. That's the 5th station, prettier than the others. Can you believe this? There's a freaking house, much higher than the cross. How could you even live there? You must be a psychopath to be wanting to live there, like really out of nowhere, really separate from the rest of the society. Sixth station. Seventh station. Oh, by the way, the counting might be wrong because I didn't really start from the bottom, so I might walk back towards the monastery to see the actual number of the stations, because I believe there should be 13. I don't know why. 13 is kind of what registered to my head when it comes to crosses. Might be one of those that I've studied back in the days. But anyway, 7th, that one. Okay, so that's the 8th. What I like about this place though is this fountain here. I should have grabbed my bottled water. Where's the source? Oh, there's nothing higher than this. Where is that water being pumped from? Oh, I'm so amazed. I'm like a child, so amazed with these little things. I like this as well. There's like a resting area, I guess, for people who made a trek up here. Okay, not written in English. Moving on. That's the final ascent into the cross, right up there. Right, that's the platform that I saw from the ground. Look at this beautiful view. Oh my god, look at this view. And here it is, the cross. Here we are. They use it as some kind of antenna, I guess some for Wi-Fi's and maybe phone lines. I mean, might as well, right? The only thing though is, what if someone comes up here and then sort of destroy all these things? Not that people will do it, but they could if they want to. Look how open it is. Right. That house there on its own, still being built. But imagine living there and having all this view, including this cross here. I can't believe I just cycled that road there. And then from behind this mountain and then to the main road. And if you look further ahead, and that's Bosnia and Herzegovina, and that's where I'll be in the next few days. I'm just gonna relax here at the monastery for a while to kind of recuperate, and also enjoy some climbing if I can. It'd be cool to try some of those. So, number of stations, only 9. Maybe I missed some, but that's all that I could count from the church. So I guess if you count the church itself, that would be 10.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
To je šeste.
Oh wait, yeah, frog?
Yeah.
No, ti ugre ako hoćeš. Successful.
It sound right, boys.
Oh, vi ćemo GoPro.
To misli, jel ovo vredi?
Very kind people, very good climbers as well. They showed me around the crags, and also we've had campfire. Very nice. 2 days of campfire. Interesting people that lives in Novi Sad as well as Baljevo. And then the mother and father of David also came over. They're very nice. And they also offered me lots of food. I don't know, maybe a week's grocery. And what's the greatest thing about it is, you know, you kind of meet people from this country, in particular Serbia. You know, I know nothing about Serbia before coming here, so you know, now I had a bit of a glimpse on what life looks like, and also, you know, contacts as well. It's nice to know someone in a particular country, because who knows, in the future maybe I'll come here, you know, then, or maybe someone that I know wants to check out the crags here. At least I've got the contacts that I can hook them up with. So had a great experience with them. Now the question is, will I be staying here longer? I like the place. Trouble is, during the week, there isn't really any climbers. If I'm keen to climb next weekend, then I may have to go to Ljubovija for a few days, 2 days, and then come up here again like Thursday or Friday, and then meet the climbers. Yeah, that could be a plan. Or if the weather next weekend isn't looking too promising, then I might start cycling over to Bosnia and Herzegovina. But before doing that, I need to make sure I get my contacts in place. It'd be nice to kind of arrive in a crag and you know that there's someone there that you can climb with. Anyway, that's my blog for the day, or for the last 2 days. I didn't really film so much. You know, I was just focusing on the climbing and actually just interacting with the guys. So, but I took a few shots here and there, but not a lot, to be honest. This is such a nice place. I'm gonna miss this.